Curvilinear masks. Part 1. In previous declarative post, we already discussed why curvilinear mask starts to be a necessity for superior process window due DOF and reduced variability due to the fact that smooth curves are more resilient to manufacturing variations. Why neural networks are essential for modern ILT. Traditional inverse lithography technology, ILT, is critically bottlenecked by the computational cost of the forward optical model, Hopkins diffraction. Calculating the aerial image for a complex mask is slow, making the iterative inverse optimization intractable for full chip scaling. Neural networks are necessary because they replace this rigorous simulation with a high-speed, differentiable surrogate that approximates the physics orders of magnitude faster. And most important, neural networks are fully differentiable, creating a bridge for direct inverse optimization. Unlike standard simulations, a neural forward model allows us to backtrack the gradient from the desired aerial image directly to the input mask. This means we can mathematically invert the physics using gradient descent to automatically discover complex mask shapes, such as curvilinear shafts, that would be impossible to calculate via traditional brute force methods. Based on the schematic representation of optimization, which bridges conventional physical systems and neural networks, and we can define the full circle of optimization as an iterative loop involving model definition, training/physical realization, evaluation, and refinement. But we will restrict ourselves with direct mask to aerial image creation and inverse aerial image to mask optimization tasks. Resist imaging will be reduced by simple thresholding, source, and CDSEM impact will be out of scope for numerous reasons for now. Here we have an example of UNet from Advances in Inverse Lithography paper by Synopsys, utilized in pro-use ILT platform. Additional attempts includes Encoder, GNOPC by OpenILT, DCCN, and other architectures. Curiously enough, no emphasis on pins detected. Worth to mention CuLitho, developed by NVIDIA, but it's a software library of GPU-accelerated algorithms and primitives. Our attempt will be based on utilization of PINN network. We will talk about advantages of PINN approach in the upcoming post. Thank you for attention.